Tutorial, we're going to talk about how we get our kind of cozy app that we've been developing here, or where is it? Over here, and how we actually get that onto the Fitbit store. So there's a thing called the Fitbit Gallery App Manager. You can go to gamblefitbit.com and you register a clock face. Now in our case it's a clock face and not an application because it is a clock, right? It is something that's on the front main screen of the watch. And what you need to do is we take our code here and we type in, so previously we typed npx fitbit, now we're going to type npx fitbit -build, and this builds the app in its normal sense. And if we open this folder now, under build we have this app.fba. So this is our latest build, built just now. Now down here you can kind of put in information, for example, website's URL, a description of the application. You can upload some screenshots, and then you just simply click here, upload an FBA. You pick the file and you click open. And I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to publish a new update to Cozie, but that's more or less in a nutshell how we update the Cozie app. Now, of course, this is logged in. Cozie is logged in under my development account, but if you want to create, I don't know, another branch of Cozie or a completely new development aspect of Cozie for your own work, you can do that. The one thing you need to keep in mind, however, is a unique identifier of the app. So this unique identifier here, if we go back to our wonderful package.json file, corresponds to this app UID. So you need to generate your own unique identifier, and then once you have a unique identifier, you can then submit it to the clock face, and then comes with it this link, which if you open a new tab, is a link that you can send out to people, and if they open this application or this link in their mobile phone, they can then, there's another button that appears here where they can click on it and download it directly onto their watch. That is all. See you next time.